Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So, quick and honest review on this feather lamp. This lamp is made out of a ceramic vase and it's also made out of real goose feathers. This one that I got is colored, as you could see, and I feel like it's going to add a very nice touch to my desk, or you can also put it in your bedroom. And it comes with everything you need to assemble it. It comes also with the light bulb, so that's great. And I love that they have different options of colors of the feathers. Here I chose the colorful one, which I just think it's going to add such a cute ambiance to wherever I put it. And overall, the ceramic vase is super high quality. It's very sturdy, and I feel like the color choice is really good. And it's very easy to assemble. You just need to read the instructions, which are super clear. The assembly of the lamp literally took me like under 5 minutes. It's super easy. You just twist the little bulb cap and the vase for the like feather piece of the lamp. And yeah, it was super easy. And I just feel like this natural feather lamp just gives off a very pretty ambiance, and I love how the light looks through the feathers. And I overall think this is a great lamp. It's very high quality and it looks so pretty. It's super unique. I've never seen a lamp like this, and I just feel like it looked really pretty in my room. And I just feel like it creates this comfortable atmosphere, and I just love how the light looks through the feathers. I feel like that's something super unique that you only get with this lamp. And of course it has the control, the on and off button that you can adjust. And this is how it looked in my bedroom, but I also placed it in my desk at my house, and I feel like it just looks so cool. It just makes me feel like at home. I love the ambiance it creates with the light, and I just thought it looked very cool in my desk. I left it at my desk, and overall I was very happy with this product, and I would totally recommend it. It's so cool and unique.